Welcome back, everybody. You're watching the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the entire world. Today, I've got a great video for you. Nobody knows this trick, not even the pros. And you can try to change my mind down in the comments. They get spicy, spicier than a Cancun señorita. Today also happens to be the start of Olight's Christmas sale. Yeah, it's Olight. You remember them. I talk about them all the time. I use their flashlights every single day. They just happen to have some new lights for bicycles. This one here is the RN 3500 lumens. This is the BFL 1800. You get that? BFL. I love the name. The big guy here has its own battery pack. I go deep into the wilderness, into grizzly country, in the dark with this bike. 18 miles, one way, and I gotta ride out in the dark, pitch black. It's scary. Links will be in the description. Go check them out. This is 50% off. That's crazy because it costs $200 when it's not on sale. So it's on sale for $99. Caulk gun hats are now back in stock. They've been out of stock for weeks, and I just got some new ones in stock. I don't know how long they're gonna last, but they're in stock now. Check the links in the description. You guys hear crickets? Could be just me. Could be just me. What'd you think of today's video? Corner bead can be frustrating sometimes. A lot of people who don't know this trick try to use a drywall screw and actually screw it into the stud, and what that does is it kind of wrinkles up the corner bead, whether it's a steel corner or a plastic corner. This method here with the spray adhesive and the plastic, it works wonders. It's great. I think today's Monday, should be Monday. I'm gonna have a handyman business video come out tonight. It's been a while. I actually recorded it back in September. Been hesitant to post it. You'll see why. It answers the 2 most common questions. What's up with the beard? Why do you make YouTube videos?
How much money do you make on YouTube, Handyman?
You're gonna find out. Yeah, link will be in the description for that. But don't go there. If money triggers you, don't go there. If you don't wanna know, don't go. For all the drywallers out there, I got a special link that I will put in the first pinned comment just for you. Goodbye.